Alright, y'all, here we go. We're gonna use the Bissell Cleanview Rewind here in the living room and all that. Well, actually, we'll do a full out. Well, that's what the point of a weekly vacuum video is. I'm sorry, I'm not really thinking right. I just got up not too long ago. But anyway, here we go. We're gonna vacuum the carpets with the Cleanview Rewind. Apparently there's something up with the front wheels. That stuff that I guess came out of the other rug. Oops. Yeah, the napper's carpet is weird. There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna have to work on that. Alright, time for the hallway rug. We're just gonna keep it going. Of course, these cords, they coil up, and that happens. Yeah, that's the only problem with Rewind vacuum cleaners. The cords, they really coil up and all that. As I can see, it's all coiled up and everything, but people dealt with them. Like even back in the old canisters, they dealt with them. We don't need the hallway light, we got a headlight. paranoia. No, he has it locked. I don't know why. I don't know why he's so paranoid of my nephew and all that. I know he can be a bit different and all that, but that doesn't mean he'd be paranoid of him. Anyway, there's the video. Tell me how y'all liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, and when I can do it, and if I can do it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content if you haven't already, because I will be getting a lot more special content out and all that when I reach the 1,000 line and all that. Actually, let's look at the dirt cup while we do this. Yeah, got quite a bit of sand and fluff. So yeah, like I said, also be sure to check out the about section for other places where you can find me and all that. There are some ways that you can opt to donate to me, as well as other places where I'm at. And if you haven't joined yet, my Discord server is in the about section, a link to that. And yeah. Oh, and also to that impersonator who's also now decided to impersonate vacuums and carpet cleaner guy. Stay off of YouTube. It could be crucial to your health. So, that all said, until next time, bye y'all.